Thank you so much again to Etenwolf for sending this S0 Mini bicycle pump out for me to review. Actually really need one of these because I do a lot of mountain biking and gravel biking as well, so this will be extremely useful for me, so I can carry it in my backpack or on one of the saddlebags on the gravel bike. So we'll have a look now and we'll do a quick test on one of my mountain bike tyres to see how quick it pumps up. Comes with the unit. Comes with a drawstring bag to keep it safe and secure, user manual, an air chuck, balloon adapter, also you can fill airbeds etc, pool toys, shrouded depressor adapter, and also a needle adapter for filling up footballs etc. All links will be in the description. Links will be in the description so you know where to get the unit from. Nice little bag with a drawstring to keep it in so it doesn't get scratched while it's in your bag. There's an adapter there for airbeds, pool toys etc. A needle adapter for pumping up footballs, rugby balls, and a shrouded depressor adapter. We also have a USB-A to USB-C cable. And this is your little shrouder chuck. Also comes with your user manual if you need to have a look at that. Also 24 months warranty card. If it breaks we'll replace it, which I've said previously, very good touch with this company. This is the unit itself. Can't believe how small that is. That is just coming in at 900 millimeters, 9 centimeters by 55 millimeter by 40 millimeter. There is your USB-C charging port. Obviously that's a little fan there to keep everything cool. That swivels. That will screw on, but I think it's going to be a damn sight easier if we use this. That screws like that. Just remove that 1 second. Press that to switch it on. That will turn your pressure up and down. I'm going to turn mine. I'll run it at 40. There we go. And then obviously minus if you wanted to go lower. But like I said, I'm going to leave it on 40. But yeah, we'll grab a bike now and we'll give it a quick test and we'll time it and we'll see how long it takes. But yeah, first impressions, really happy, extremely well built. And they don't cost very much on Amazon, that's a good point. A must for any cyclist this day and age. Certainly saves using a bicycle pump. Right, I've just let the air out of this free ride mountain bike that I use regularly when I'm out with the boys cycling on the weekend. Completely flat. So we're going to chuck it on now and we'll time it and we'll see roughly how long it takes. Yeah, it's even telling you 0 PSI. Let me just grab the phone. Right, we're going to hit start now. 1 minute in, and you could easily ride home with that if you wanted to. But like I said, I like to run about 40 in my mountain bike, apart from in the winter when I normally drop it to about 30. Slowing down now, which it will do naturally as it gets towards the end to the 40 psi, and then it should automatically switch off, which it has. That took 2 minutes 15 seconds, well, slightly under by the time I thinged. Not even warm. Little bit of heat on the thing, but nothing much, you know. Warm, it's not hot, then, you know, I can hold that, it's not hot. But at the moment in the UK we're going through a heat spell, and this would be absolutely ideal if you get a puncture when you're out on the bike. I'd rather be using this than pumping with a hand pump in this weather. So yeah, if you're a cyclist like myself, like I said, I've got a few bikes, 4 actually. I got 2 mountain bikes and 2 gravel bikes, so I do a lot of off-road riding and I get punches all the time, and this is now going to be a lifesaver. Pump that tyre up from flat, battery's still on full, so no worry about the battery running out. Definitely recommended. Links will be available in the description so where you can get one. If you haven't already, please like the video and please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.